April 20th, year 2018. The Holy Spirit speaks to Wendy and Jillian. My dear daughters, you are reflecting on yesterday, and this is good. As I asked you to yesterday, go back and reread the message from the morning, and you will see how it applied to your day. It is a wise person who can hold their tongue in the midst of chatter. Yet in doing so, this will cause others to see what is transpiring around them. Silence for many, my daughters, is not comfortable. Why do you think this is? Perhaps it is because they are not comfortable in their own selves, in their own skin. Or perhaps those who speak the loudest long to be heard. In either case, when you are still, this is when you can truly see that which lies within others as well as yourselves. One who possesses a gentle and kind spirit does not have to be heard above the chatter. They are, as a result, comfortable in their own being and take care not to judge or justify others. In short, one who is silent seeks no recognition nor praise. Ask yourselves if you are a people pleaser or a pleaser of self. One cannot please others at the expense of oneself, nor can one please oneself at the expense of others. Neither of these things will result in a peaceful spirit. When you truly come to know thyself, then you will be at peace, seeking only that which will bear good fruit. You, as my earth angels, must always come from a position of love. You are called to love one another as our Father loves you. When in doubt or questioning that which is the heart of the matter, wait upon my Spirit, and you will see that which I desire for you to see. In order to be effective in working for me, you must be willing to go out among the people. Yet you must guard yourselves with that which is of my Spirit. Those who proclaim to be Christians so that others may hear must ask themselves what is their intention and why do they feel the need to do so. Those who truly know me need not proclaim their affinity, as the fruits of the Spirit will be ever present and need no explanation. As seekers of truth, when pressed, you must always speak the truth, yet in doing so, you must trust that others will not distort that which has been said. If you have reason to question this will occur, then you must examine why this is the case. Webster defines trust as firm belief in the reliability or strength of someone. Good intentions have to be built on trust. When trust is lacking, good fruit will be hard to come by. Lack of trust opens the door to that which is not of my kingdom. Trust, therefore, must be established and can only be earned. Once a trust has been broken, it cannot be regained. Trust and forgiveness are not one and the same. In order to trust someone, you must revere that which lies in the heart of another. You must cherish this heart as I cherish you. While you can forgive the actions of another, trust can only come when one behaves in accordance to that which they profess to believe. If there is a disparity between professed belief and behavior, trust will be difficult to establish. To err is human, and to forgive is divine. It is a wise person who does not confuse trust with forgiveness. You, therefore, as ambassadors of joy, must trust one another as I trust you. When trust is lacking, there is naught to be gained.
Thank you for listening to our video message number 155 from the Holy Spirit. These messages have been written specifically for these times to teach, inform, inspire, and nurture your soul. For more information on ABBA and Company, original Earth Angels book, as well as listen to our little book series, go to our website at www.earthangelsbook.com. Please subscribe to our channel and share with your friends, family, or another in need. May God bless, protect, and guide you and your loved ones in these times.